Love Grandpa's old truck. Oh, let's get back to the rebuild. Time to install their harmonic balancer. The engine is now set to top dead center on a number 1 cylinder. While adjusting your valves, roll the push rod between your fingers and stop just at the point that it grabs. I have it at 0 lash. Specs call for an additional 3/4 of a turn, but instead I'm going to do half. The easiest way to do this is to start at 12 and then end at 6. Time to install the intake manifold. I'm following my shop manual for torquing sequence. Torque these down to 35 foot-pounds.
I keep a close watch on this heart of mine. I keep my eyes wide open all the time.
After all that, it's time for an evening ride.
The ends out for the night is mine.
Where's your helmet? Install a temporary oil pressure
I
gauge
find
before
it
plugging the engine.
very easy to be true. I find myself alone
You can rent
when each
an oil
day's
pump
through.
priming tool at your local
Yes, I'll
auto
admit
store, or you can
that
buy
I'm
them
a
at
fool
Amazon,
for
my
you.
favorite place to shop.
Because you're mine, I walk the line.
Look at that oil pressure! You gotta have
As
fluid
sure
flowing
as
through your
night
lucky
is
rod.
dark and day is
You wanna
light,
make sure you do it for
I
10 to
keep
15
you
minutes.
on my mind both day and night. And happiness I've known proves that it's right. Because you're mine, I walk the line. You've got a way to keep me on your side. You give me cause for love that I can't hide. For you I know I'd even try to turn the tide. Because you're mine, I walk the line. I keep a close watch on this heart of mine. I keep my eyes wide open all the time. I keep the ends out for the tie that binds. Because you're mine, I walk the line.
oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dream of, dreams really do come true. Someday you wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Be where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney top. That's where you find me, oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dream that you dare to, oh why can't I? Well, I see trees of Greenland, red roses too. I watch them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Well, I see skies of blue, and I see clouds of white, and the brightness of day. I like the dark, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, singing, how do you do? They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry, and I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
I had a great time doing this video. I learned a lot, and I hope you did too. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it and thought it was funny. Thank you, and have a great day.
Like a lemon drops high above the chimney top. That's where